Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Bonelab installed via Steam and developer mode, turned on in VR settings so logs are accessible. Once done, install BEP in XX64 into the game folder. Because it hooks code and provides console output, make sure to place the correct loader files in the root. Also install Melon Loader only if a tool requires it. Then backup saves and plugins. This prevents data loss and gives you a quick rollback if a step fails. Next, you install the actual dev tools by copying their DLLs and resources into BEP and X/plugins so the loader picks them up. This is where tools live. Once copied, place any provided config files into BEP in X/config and edit keybinds or ports so controls don't conflict. Then launch Bonelab once to let BEP in X generate logs and verify the plugins loaded. Reading the log shows why a tool might not initialize and points to missing dependencies. Finally, you open the in-game console or press the configured hotkey to access dev tools and run simple commands to confirm functionality. Test spawning or toggling features first. If something breaks, check BEP in X logs for missing DLL names, NET runtime mismatches, or permission errors. These are the usual culprits. Then fix the specific dependency. If corruption persists, restore your backup or clean install BEP in X and the plugin, which resolves most persistent crashes and permission-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.